In this video, I'm reviewing Lemlist. We will cover its advanced personalization, the multi-channel sequence builder, and the new intent signals. By the end, you will know exactly if this is worth the $109 price tag. Now, the link to Lemlist is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give Lemlist a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Part 1. The basics. For a total beginner, outbound outreach usually feels like a guessing game. You blast generic emails and hope someone bites. Lemlist is an all-in-one sales engagement platform that changes that. It helps you find leads from a database of over 450 million contacts, verify their info, and reach out across email, LinkedIn, phone, and even WhatsApp. But the real focus today is its transition into a relevance engine. It's designed to stop you from sending spam and start sending messages that actually land when a prospect is already showing buying signals. Part 2. The pros. The most powerful feature here is the intent signal system. Most outbound fails because of bad timing, not bad writing, and Lemlist fixes that by tracking real buying clues automatically. For example, if you see a company hiring SDRs, you know their outbound motion is just starting. If they're hiring RevOps, they're likely going through a systems overhaul and looking for new tools. It even tracks when a lead visits your pricing page twice in a single week or engages with a specific topic on LinkedIn, like pipeline generation or cold outreach. These aren't just leads, they are moments where the buying window is wide open. When you combine this with their AI-powered engagement, Lemlist turns those signals into contextual, human messages that replace hours of manual research and tab hopping. Your outreach stops being cold and starts being perfectly timed. Part 3. The cons. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, intent signals are all about speed. They work best when you act quickly to hit that buying window. You'll want to be specific with your watch lists to ensure you're filtering the highest quality leads. It's also helpful to remember that Lemlist is a specialized outreach engine, not a full CRM. It integrates deeply with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, but it's designed to power your conversations rather than replace your entire reporting system. Finally, the pricing uses a per-seat model and a credit-based system for things like intent signals and lead enrichments. This makes it a premium choice built for teams that prioritize quality and precision over raw sending volume. Part 4. The experience. Now, in terms of daily usage, the interface is clean but has a steep learning curve for its advanced tools. You'll spend most of your time in the Campaigns and Signals tabs. Building a sequence is highly visual. You literally drag and drop steps for email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and phone calls into a flowchart. The platform also uses conditional logic to trigger different follow-ups based on how a lead behaves. Best of all, the AI turns those intent signals into contextual icebreaker messages, effectively replacing the old, messy workflow of jumping between tabs, spreadsheets, and LinkedIn profiles. Part 5. Quality and reliability. Real-world performance is where Lemlist usually justifies its price. Users have reported significant results, like booking 2 demos almost immediately after turning on website visitor signals. There are also documented cases of teams finding dozens of new leads by tracking prospects who engage with competitor content on LinkedIn. Reliability is boosted by Lemwarm, which uses smart clusters to automate your email warm-up and build a natural sender reputation. While recent spam filters are tougher than ever, Lemlist's emphasis on personalized, human-like interactions helps maintain stable deliverability for those playing the long game. Part 6. Price and competition. The standard price for Lemlist reflects its position as a premium tool. The Email Pro plan is $79 per user, while the Multi-Channel Expert plan, which you need for intent signals, is $109 per month. Its main rivals are tools like Instantly and SmartLead, which are often preferred for raw volume because they don't charge per seat. However, these tools generally lack the deep multi-channel personalization and the native intent radar that Lemlist provides. You are essentially paying a premium for precision over volume. Part 7. The verdicts. So, is Lemlist worth it? Well, if you are a high-ticket sales professional or a founder who needs advanced personalization and real intent signals to close big deals, then yes, it is the gold standard for intent-driven outreach. But if you are a high-volume lead gen agency looking for the cheapest way to send thousands of emails, then you should skip it. Alright, if you found this video helpful and are planning to try Lemlist, remember to use my link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.